Broken fibula, bitches.
Tupac back. That's all these bitches screaming at Tupac back. All eyes on me. Better picture me rolling. Riding brand new rims, but them bitches are stolen. Stranded on death row. Brenda having my baby, but I'm stacking my paper. I need a brand new Mercedes.
Broken leg. Can't ride. Bike check. I'm Seth Shadwick, ride for Fugitive BMX, and this is my bike check. I have a 2012 BSD Trailorpark frame, 21-inch top tube, Kriss Kyles signature frame, Kink Human bars, 29-inch wide, 8.75 rise. Got Odi XL Grip on this side, and a regular Odi Grip on this side. Kink Lightest Bar Ends. Custom scratched Nike 6.0 logo. Fly Bike Potencia stem flipped upside down. So I'm a taller rider. I like to have tall bars. Got the Odyssey headset. Got the BSD Ghetto V3 forks. My front wheel is Odyssey Quadrant rim with the Vandero 2 hub. And this pretty little thing is a limited edition Princess Spoke clip with Jasmine and Sleeping Beauty. Look at that pretty little thing. I love it.
Swag.
Got Odyssey GI pegs. 2 of them. And the other one's back here. This other peg is Animal Butcher peg. It slides very well. I have a cheap Gsport hub guard. It's a really good hub guard for the price. Moving back, bottom bracket. Stock from my Verde Radia. It's like 2 years old. Probably should get a new one. Demolition cranks. Odyssey Twisted pedals. I really like them. Free 27 tooth chain wheel. Shadow V2 half-link chain. Cinema Tungsten rear hub. With Cinema 777 double wall rib. And it's getting gangrene, guys. Gangrene. Odyssey Path tire. Up front I have the Odyssey Aitken tire. 2.25 front, 2.0 in the back. Primo drive side hub guard. Unknown seat post. And a crappy Mirko seat.
What seat do you want to get, Seth?
I wouldn't get this so roasted forever.
Oh yeah. Hey, you know. Hey, hey.
They screaming Tupac back. That's all these bitches screaming at Tupac back.
Tupac back. I'm 2 Glock strap. Rolling down in Philly, this the new Iraq. Soon as I hit the hood, they screaming who got
Swag.